how to combine selector in the CSS. Let me try to arrange the structure of the CSS. We have the head, and also we have the body. So I can now write my CSS code by tagging put it under the style. I close the style. So my CSS code is going to be here. So what we are going to do is combining selector. We have H1 as the first header, represents the selector. Heading 2 is another selector. Then we have P is another selector. So we want the selector to have these additional attributes. Both the paragraph, the first heading and the second heading. So that it's the text align, then let's make it to this at the center of the page. Then the color of the text, then semicolon up at the end of this color of the text, color. We're adding 2 attributes. Let's make it green. So after this, we can now go into the body. For the first header, H1, the 2 attributes will be added to it. It will be at the center, and at the same time, first heading. Heading. I can close it by H1. First heading. It will be at the center of the page. Let me run it. You can see that center of the page green. So the second heading also apply the same alignments. I can make it call it second line. Then you close the tag H1. Let me run it again. You can see then the body of the text, which is the paragraph, the body of the text or message. So let's run it. You can see it. So that's all about how to combine selector while adding an attribute to it. Thanks.